Hey guys, so this afternoon I posted a picture of this kind of tissue paper. This one has flecks in it. And then I posted, maybe I didn't post a picture of this one, which is a napkin. So I seen this video on YouTube and this lady, I can't remember her name, it's not Teddy Treasures, I can't remember. Anyway, she used just white glue and water, and then to make it a little vintage look, and she had a little bit of coffee in it to make coffee water, and then she just painted it on. So this is my first one that I did, and I had forgotten. I watched the video last night and I had forgotten my first layer is you're supposed to paint your, this is freezer paper, so it's like smooth on this side. So I actually forgot to paint the first layer on the bottom. And so I think that's why it tore up there and made a mess, but I'll just cut that off. And she also lets it set overnight, and I put mine by my oven. I have a propane oven while I was cooking supper, and it dried it. So you just put your layer on here, and then you paint very carefully over here not to tear it. And like I said, there's my big tear, and that was just because I didn't put the layer on and then my brush was too dry and it just tore. I did put another piece over top of it, but I don't think that it worked. And then I just went around the edges like she said, just so I could have something to hold on to. And this is what it kind of looks like. So this was tissue paper, and I think I needed to add a little more glue to it, but I'm going to try to get it off one-handed if I can without totally destroying it. I hope I don't destroy it. I don't want to destroy it. It's not coming off. It's not coming off as easy as I thought it was going to be. I just don't want to rip it. It's like, it feels like sunburnt skin. You guys see that? Okay, I can see some holes in it. There's a one tear. Okay, can you guys see this? Okay, we got this. We got this. Okay, I do see other tear spots in it, but that's okay, because you can use it for all kinds of different things. And I'll just cut the tears out. I apologize, my foot's holding the paper down. I'm outside. I just want to get this off. It feels weird. It feels like sunburnt skin. Okay. So I have it off. And it's smooth on this side because it was, see, there's a bad spot there. And it's still wet there actually. I'm just going to flip it over, and hopefully it dries the rest of the way. Oh, and the wind is blowing. Okay, so there's that one. And you can do cheesecloth with it as well, but look at this one. Look at this one. I hope it's dry enough. I don't want to ruin it. Remember, folks, I'm doing it one-handed. And that's the whole reason of taking your brush and getting that edge so it doesn't stick. This one's a little hard. This is harder than the other one. Oh, it's wild. Okay, it's off. Oh my gosh, look at it. So I guess they call it faux rice paper. And I love those I love all the wrinkles. You can try to do it and get the wrinkles out. I just find that when I was trying to do it, that it was just putting holes in it. But look at it. And I guess she said she makes pouches and stuff out of them. So she would do it like this and sew it and all kinds of cool things. Okay, that's really cool. That could even be a journal cover, really. That is pretty. That's pretty. It feels wild. Anyway, guys, that's pretty neat. So if you want to try it, give it a try. It's really easy. You just have to make sure you do that base layer here first, and then just gently put your tissue paper or your napkin down and start from the center, and just start brushing your glue water mixture on it. And mine has this here aging because I added my water that I added to the glue had coffee. It was like coffee water. Yeah. Anyway, I wonder what I'm going to come up with. This is a cool project. Yeah, so this is really cool. The next thing I want to try is the cheesecloth. Looked really, really nice. I just don't have any. I don't have any to try it. So anyway, guys, try it. It's kind of cool. It's pretty neat. Can you see? It's kind of shiny on the back side, but it's flat on this side. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great evening.